In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate FigJam. By the end, you'll have a clean copy of your board that you can edit freely without touching the original. Start by opening the FigJam file you want to copy. If you're following along from a blank or untitled board, that's perfectly fine. Give the page a second to load so all the tools and content are active. This ensures the copy will include everything you can currently see and interact with. Next, click on the highlighted area on your canvas. This is simply the element that's being demonstrated. Think of it like selecting the text or object you plan to include in your duplicate. If the highlight is a text field, make sure your cursor is inside it. You'll see the familiar text editing controls when it's selected, which confirms you're editing the right thing. Now, type whatever text you want. This is your chance to add or adjust content before duplicating, so the copy reflects exactly what you need. For example, you might update a title, notes, or labels so your duplicate starts with the right context. If you make a typo, just use undo or reselect the text and type again. When you're happy with the content, click anywhere on the canvas to confirm the change. With your content set, look to the top of the file and click the board's title, which might appear as untitled if you haven't named it yet. Clicking the title opens a small menu with file level options. If you don't see the menu, make sure you click the title text itself rather than the surrounding toolbar. From that menu, choose Duplicate. FigJam will immediately create a new copy of your board with all the objects, text, and layout intact. The duplicate opens in a new tab or the same window, depending on your settings, and it's independent from the original. Any edits you make now won't affect the source file. If you're part of a team, the copy usually lands in your drafts or your current project space, depending on your access. If you don't have permission to duplicate a shared board, ask the file owner for the right access or request a template version. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Consider renaming your duplicate so it's easy to spot later. Keep an eye on sharing settings if you plan to collaborate, and do a quick scan to confirm all content copied as expected. That's it. You've successfully duplicated a FigJam board.